Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to study Calculus 1. Start by mastering limits and algebra, then focus on core derivative concepts with clear examples and steady practice. Break study into focused 25 to 50-minute sessions, review mistakes immediately, and explain solutions aloud. Use visuals and simple graphs to link formulas to meaning, seek help early, and measure progress weekly to build confidence and lasting understanding regularly. Build an effective practice routine that balances quality and quantity with friendly consistency. Start each session with warm-up problems, then tackle one challenging question deeply and summarize the method. Keep a mistakes log for recurring errors and revisit those topics with targeted drills. Mix calculator checks with hand computations, simulate exam timing occasionally, and celebrate small wins to maintain motivation and steady progress throughout the course. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful videos. Quick recommendation: I use the Owala water bottle to stay hydrated during long study sessions. It seals well, fits cup holders, and keeps water ready between problem sets. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one for your desk. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Focus on connecting new techniques to intuitive ideas so concepts stick naturally. Translate derivative rules into slope language and real rates, then view integrals as accumulation to close the loop. Create simple physics or growth examples to make abstract operations meaningful and sketch graphs to visualize behavior. Regularly explain concepts aloud or to a peer and build layered understanding slowly, which makes complex problems much easier over time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.